I may not be the famous wizard Harry Potter, but today I'm going to show you how to make sounds disappear when you want to speak quickly. So come with me. Abracadabra, love and peace, may all life's blessings never cease. So, now I'm going to help you with fast speech by showing you how sounds disappear when words are spoken quickly. So let's start by looking at the phrase the next day in phonemic script. The T in the word next is the last sound after the sound S, and the following word day begins with a stop sound, D. When the phrase is said quickly, it's said like this: next day. As you can see, the stop consonant T is the sound which has disappeared and is the sound which most often disappears when the following word begins with a stop, nasal or friction sound. Let me show you what I mean with st plus stop sounds: p, b, t, d, k, g, ch and j. Just to remind you, stop sounds are where the airflow is blocked on the lips, the alveolar ridge or the back of the palate. Watch, listen and repeat. First pint. First bus. Last time. Last day. The best card. The worst game. Last chance. First job. Now let's look at st plus nasal sounds m and n. Again, just to remind you, these are sounds that carry the airstream through your nose, hence the term nasal, like this: m, m, n, n. Watch, listen and repeat. Best man. Last month. First name. Last night. And now let's look at some friction sounds such as f, v, f, sh, s, where the airflow through the mouth is not completely blocked, but it is restricted. Watch, listen and repeat. Left shoe. Best friend. Best value. Last video. First things first. Best system. Now I'm going to show you words with the sound ft at the end, followed by a stop consonant. Notice how once again the t sound is dropped. Lift boy. Stuffed chicken. Stuffed toys. Now with a nasal sound. Soft mattress. Left knee. And with a friction sound. Left shoe. Soft snow. Other examples when t in st and ft disappear are next week, soft water, left leg. Now let's move on to the d in nd or md. This d sound often disappears when the following word begins with a nasal m or n sound. Watch, listen and repeat. Blind man. Kind nurse. Find my glasses. Skim milk. She seemed nice. Or a stop consonant like b, p or g. Watch, listen and repeat. Tin beans. Tin peas. stand guard. It seemed good. She climbed back. Of course, one of the most common words which ends with "nd" is the word "and." It's extremely common to hear this word shortened to "n." For more on weak and strong words, see my video here. But one thing I must point out, if you find these disappearing sounds difficult to pronounce, don't worry. If you don't use them, it doesn't matter. With all these reduced sounds in the words I've just shown you, it's just a way of speeding up your speech or helping you to be able to recognize the different sounds when words are spoken quickly in connected speech. It's entirely up to you if you want to say them that way. Now, listen to these words where the disappearance of sounds d or t is considered normal. You should say them like this: grandmother, handsome, castle, postman. Now, with the following words, you may hear two ways of saying them. Like this: often, often, kindness, kindness, asked, asked, clothes, clothes. You can use either of these. It's up to you. Well, now I'm going to disappear. But before I do, as always, love and peace.